Alright, so in this problem we have the question that says we have a road map where 1/2 inch is equal to 18 miles, and it wants to know how far apart two towns are in real life if they're 2.5 inches apart on the map. So we've got the scale equals 1/2 inch is 18 miles written down. So when you see a problem like this, you know that you can start by trying to set up some sort of fraction. Alright, so the fraction in this case, and we know 1/2 is equal to 0.5. So to make it easier to write this fraction out, we'll go ahead and use 0.5 for everything. 0.5 over 18, because that is our ratio that we're using. We see that right there. And that's it. What we're looking for is going to go on the other side. So 2.5, that's this 2.5 over x. And you may say, why do you know to do that? You set up one side with what you know, one part of the other side with what you know, and the other part is your question. So x. Alright, so if we try to solve this, you can multiply 0.5 times x. This is a way to solve problems that have formulas, fractions on each side with a variable. And then multiply 18 times 2.5. So 18 times 2.5. And if we say 18 times 2.5, that's equal to 45. Alright, so we can rewrite this. 0.5x is equal to 45. And if we solve that, you can divide 0.5 on either side. So I'm going to start that up here. X times 0.5 divided by 0.5 is equal to 45 divided by 1/2, because that's what we're doing. Whatever you do to one side, you do to both. So, plugging that in the calculator, that cancels off. 45 divided by 0.5 is 90. And the units on this are miles. So we look over here, and the answer is 90. If I was able to help on this problem, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button. That way you can see when all my new videos come out, and it helps me out a little bit.